Topic 5. Daily we live phenomena like going fast or slow, brake or speed up, and move without realizing about the the physics that we can describe or we can analyze them. In this topic, you will know more about motion and its characteristics and what it surrounds motion.
The distance is the length is the length of the real path followed by an object. It only has magnitude, so it's a scalar quantity. Displacement is the separation in a straight line between 2 points, the final and the initial position. Then we have speed, that is the travel distance per unit of time, and it is a scalar quantity. And final velocity, that is the displacement per unit of time, and it's a vector quantity.
Okay, these are the formulas, and here you have it.
Okay. We utilize this formula to calculate distance without acceleration. This is the one we use to calculate final velocity. This is the one we use to calculate distance with acceleration. This is the one we use to calculate distance with acceleration and final velocity. And the last one, this is the one we use to calculate 2ax. And that's
And well, here we are going to explain you a little exercise to understand this topic. And well, the exercise is that a man jumps vertically at an initial velocity of 0 meters over second and a distance of 2.5 meters. And we have to take the final velocity. And well, here we have all the data, and as we don't have acceleration, we're going to use the gravity, that is 9.8 meters over seconds to the square. So the formula we're going to use is 2 multiplied by the acceleration and the distance, that is 2.5 meters, and on the and this would equal to final velocity at the square minus the initial velocity. But as we know that the initial velocity is 0, so we're going to keep that like that. And well, here is all the here we make all the multiplication, and at the end we only take the square root, and the equal is to 7 meters over seconds.
Well, as a conclusion, this lesson describes the basic concepts and definitions. Of motion, and well, in one dimension that will be useful later in other topics, And in addition, well, we want to say that it examined the linear motion by using analytical equations, as well as the use of graphs through several simple examples. And well, in this topic we studied the basic concepts of one-dimension motion, and well, I think that that's all.